we have here Erin Holland. I'm going to tell you about her. Erin Victoria Holland is an Australian singer, TV host, model, dancer, charity worker, beauty pageant title holder. She won her national title Miss World Australia on 20th July 2013. She has also featured as a sports presenter at the Pakistan Super League in season 4, 5, 7 and 8, covering the matches on ground as well as post-match ceremonies. She's married to an Australian cricketer, Ben Cutting. Hello and welcome to the show.
Oh, shukriya, Amna. It's so nice to be here and to see you again. It's going to be fun.
I am very thankful to you, to your friend, to your team that they even managed to send you here.
Well, it's our only off day before the finals. So,
I know.
yeah, we've definitely made sure that we made the time to be here.
Okay, Erin, the first question, I am really curious to know about this. How, like, Miss World, and then singer, dancer and everything, and then a sports presenter. How?
It's such a random story, and I think, you know, we always say it's all about the journey, it's not about the destination. Well, my journey's been pretty varied and pretty crazy, but for me, I grew up wanting to be on stage. I wanted to be on Broadway. So I sang and danced since I was 4 years old.
Yeah.
And I love being on camera. It's my favorite thing to do, is to be on camera.
I can tell that.
My mum always said that I'm a professional show pony. So
yeah.
I wanted to go to school. I went and did my university degree in opera singing.
Okay.
So I was
opera
full
singing.
singer, full singer. And then I was auditioning for musicals and performances back in Australia, and some success, lots of no success, as you know, this industry is very hard. Ups and downs.
Yeah.
And so I thought, you know, what can I do to try and increase my chances of getting the big gig? Well, having a profile helps, right?
Yeah.
Getting to be in front of the right people. So I applied for Miss World Australia in 2012. I came top 10, didn't win, and I went, right.
You deserve to be in Miss World. You're very gorgeous.
And then I came back the next year and I won. So from there, it was lots of modelling, brand ambassador work, TV presenting like yourself.
Wow.
And then I met my husband and he got picked
And that's
up.
how you decided to be in this.
It was an Instagram post.
Wow.
I got my first job.
No way.
Yeah, I got my first job hosting the IPL because of an Instagram post.
That's
and then
amazing.
I figured it out from there. I mean, you know, you can only learn so much by on the books. You got to actually live it and do the job. And yeah, I learnt on the job. And then Pakistan Super League from 2019 was my big gig, really.
So how's the experience going on?
Oh, I love coming here every year. Honestly, it's my favorite competition to do. I feel like I'm coming home to family now. Like, you know, my dost, all of my friends, there's just, you know, Pakistan's like a second home to me now. So it's my favorite part of the year, honestly.
You know, I'm confused right now because I have to listen to her very carefully because of the accent and everything. You know, I have to polish today I'm going to polish my accent because.
Am I too strong? Is the Aussie accent too strong?
You're not strong, but you're strong for us, and you know, you're working with so many people who are like, you know, they try to get to that thing that, you know, we need to understand, we need to listen to very carefully what is she saying. But you look amazing on the ground. You look amazing on the ground, and even Zainab and Arooj, you know, I love it. And the best part is I'm so proud of it. I think people are proud of this, that women on the ground, they're interviewing and they're dealing with these men and the celebrities and the heroes. So how does it feel?
You know what? I work all over the world now doing this as a job, and I have to say the PSL has the strongest female contingent on on-air talent, and to even see that grow in my time in the competition, you know, when I first started, Zainab and myself were there, and then the next year Arooj is there and Sana is there. Yeah, Sana Mir is there, and then Marina Iqbal comes along, and next minute we have like 5 women. So in the commentary panel.
Women are everywhere and you can't do anything with that.
But it's important for the sport as a whole, because you know, you've got women who played the game exceptionally well, captained their country. You've got presenters who not only present here, but Zainab and myself present all over the world.
And thank God, I'm very happy there's no breaking today, because we have Erin Holland. That's the breaking news today, that she's on our show. Okay, Erin, I need to ask you one thing. What inspired you to be part of PSL?
So I got the opportunity for the first time all the way back in 2019.
In Dubai, right?
In Dubai, with the finals in Pakistan, in Karachi. And I'd heard lots about the PSL. I thought, you know, I'd love to give it a go and see what it's like. And it's only my second ever competition that I've worked on, so thank you to them for giving me a chance.
Yeah.
And here I am, 6 years later. You can't get rid of me.
And you know what? Miss World, dancer, everything, social activist, and then you're doing this. You have to do a lot of homework, right? You need to know about the dynamics of cricket and everything. So how do you do that?
A lot of preparation.
A lot
and
of
I think, you know, when you come into competitions like this, the domestic talent is very important.
Yeah.
But obviously I don't get to see that back in Australia. So it's a lot of research, a lot of who's up and coming, what's been happening in the off season. And as someone who didn't play the game but has grown up watching the game from a little child, there's a difference between your knowledge of cricket as a consumer versus
as a viewer,
as someone who's working. So yeah, a lot of preparation. I fell in love with the competition.
Your experience being in Pakistan, like, and if you have to compare, like, relatively, India you enjoy the most or you enjoy here?
I mean, I'm very thrilled to travel wherever I travel all over the world. I think there's something very special to me about the family I feel I have in Pakistan. I love the food as well. I think you guys do barbecue. You guys do meat very, very, very well here.
Where does it go, by the way?
Gym man.
Gym man.
Work to.
And I am bringing something for you related to gym.
I'm ready for this Karachi biryani. Actually, we had some very nice Karachi
Which biryani did you like the most? The Karachi one or the other one?
It was lamb. The Lahori one, the other one?
Yeah.
I had some very nice Karachi biryani last night. That's
Lahore
all
doesn't
I'll
have
say.
good food.
No,
trust
that's
me.
not true.
No, Lahore people, they don't know how to cook.
I've had very good food everywhere in Pakistan.
Or did you go to Lahore side of that Haveli side of?
Yeah, I think we've been. I just looked at my friend and was like, yes, we've been.
You went to Badshai Mosque.
I've been to Andarun Lahore, Badshai Mosque. Actually went to Shahrukh Alam in Multan for the first time too, which blew my mind this year. It was beautiful.
Okay, so yes, she's a foodie, I can tell, but then she works out and she burns out very quickly. What were your feelings when you won that Australian Miss World Australia?
I mean,
what was the first reaction? Yes.
This photo?
Yeah.
Oh my God. It's on the internet. It's such a funny photo. I was so shocked that.
Were you expecting it?
No. I don't think you ever expect in those situations. No,
but then you have that confidence, you know, you always say, okay, fine, maybe I'll win.
No, I thought, I hoped so. I thought I'd done well enough too, but you never know what they're thinking. So I was so shocked.